Choose the correct question. Options are A. Have you never visited there? B. Have you ever visited there? C. Did you ever visited there? D. Have you visit ever there? The correct answer is Have you ever visited there? Choose the correct sentence. Options are A. I have never tried this food. B. I have ever tried this food. C. I never have tried this food. D. I ever have tried this food. The correct answer is I have never tried this food. Which word is used in questions about life experience? Options are A. Never. B. Ever. C. Still. D. Already. The correct answer is ever. Choose the correct sentence. Options are A. She ever feels tired in the morning. B. She never feels tired in the morning. C. She feels ever tired. D. She feels tired ever. The correct answer is she never feels tired in the morning. Choose the correct sentence. Options are A. Have you never seen this movie? B. Have you ever seen this movie? C. Did you ever seen this movie? D. Have you seen never this movie? The correct answer is Have you ever seen this movie? Which word means not at any time? Options are A. Ever. B. Always. C. Never. D. Yet. The correct answer is never. Choose the correct sentence. Options are A. I don't ever make mistakes. B. I don't never make mistakes. C. I never don't make mistakes. D. I ever don't make mistakes. The correct answer is I don't ever make mistakes. Choose the correct sentence. Options are A. This is the best day ever. B. This is the best day never. C. This ever is the best day. D. This is ever the best day never. The correct answer is This is the best day ever. Choose the correct sentence. Options are A. He has never been late. B. He has ever been late. C. He never has been late. D. He ever has been late. The correct answer is He has never been late. Choose the correct sentence. Options are A. Do you ever go there? B. Do you never go there? C. Do you go ever there? D. Do you go never there? The correct answer is Do you ever go there?